Okay, we'll use the button to spell the magic. So we need to prepare the button lah. We put it here. Okay. Some of you cannot see this one. Means that you need to on this one, the UI canvas. On. Okay. So now you can see. So you can prepare 3 types of the buttons here. Okay. Just copy, paste. Control C, Control V, Control V. So now, okay, move it. You check, you on this 2D. So now you're able to see the buttons. Okay, so the first button, you have a move button here. Okay, move it. So the second, move it. The third one, move it. Okay, so you can have a skill 1, skill 2, skill 3 here. Okay, inside got a image icon here lah. So if you don't want, so you just change it, delete it. Okay, you can delete it if you only have one image. Okay, if you only have one image. So for this image, we can use the asset. We can use this asset. Okay, we directly use this one, the RPG icon pack. We use this one. Okay, add to my asset. Okay, free icon. Then we goes to package manager, window, package manager, my asset, and we download, we using the RPG icon lah, icon. Or you can use any image to represent it lah. So now this is the image that I'm using. You click import. Now you will have the inside already, right? Okay, inside you already have the image. Okay, so I have all the image here. So now for my button, okay, I change to like the first one I put the fire. So okay, maybe I'm using this one. Okay, I choose this one for my fire, and this one is for my eyes. Okay, I put it this one. The third one, okay, I choose the lighting. So I use this one for my lightning lah, for example. Okay, I use this one for my lightning. Okay, so 3 buttons done already. You can rename your buttons. Okay, rename button as this one is the fire. Okay, fire buttons. And then this one you can change it as a ice button. This one is a lightning button. Okay, so we need to we click this one and then to spell the magic. So we need to modify our code a bit. Okay, so we need to modify our code. Okay, you see this is the code that we have. So I'm using the switch spell only, same thing. Okay, now I copy this code and I paste to the code that we have this one. You see the changes. Okay, this one because of Unity cannot detect the spell type here, so we need to modify to int lah, to represent when I click that button, then tell me which spell. Okay, now we have a spell ID already. So for our fire, ice, lightning. Okay, so the current spell, for example, is a fire. So we get the animator for the player animator, and then we send the casting. Okay, we send the casting when we press 1. It will be 0, 1, and 2 here. So this is receiving, tell that which spell that we are using. Okay, and then we'll have the data type, and this is our numbers. So it will be tell the current spell which one. The first, the 0, 1, 2. Okay, so in our coding here, So save your coding, okay? Save your changes coding and go back to here. So when we click this button, okay, so we remove this one, we select all our button and we remove the code that we don't want. Okay, now no more. So goes to on click here, you select the on click here. Okay, drag your skill management, drag and place it here, or you can search for the skill management. Okay, so for the function, we have the sheet spell of function code, and then we will be spell the class. You can see the first one is 0, okay, no need to modify. The second, same thing, click this one and move this here, okay, change the class spell, and class the spell is now is 1. The ID spell is 1. Okay, now this one, same thing, open, drag this one, okay, our class spell will become 2. Okay, become 2. Okay, so now we try with our okay. Okay, so now we try with our button, see functioning or not. So we play our game. Okay, so we goes to simulator here. We press 1, so it will be goes to this 2 and 3. Okay, so this is our outcome.